catastrophic events.
Right.
So for CAT events, we're leveraging geofencing targeting technology to go in and saturate an area. And again, if I'm targeting an area, I can specify age ranges, income ranges. We can really drill down to the type of client that we're looking for, that we do, the best work with, and spend a couple $100 and send out thousands upon thousands of ads to these folks. With geofencing, I can take Kingwood and I can take all the communities around Kingwood and parts of greater Houston. And a week prior to the storm, I can begin serving them ads. And if that storm's big and there's evacuation orders and folks start heading up the interstates, I can then target hotels along those interstates where they're most likely going to be evacuating to. So an hour from home, 2 hours from home. And in the old way that I advocated for years is, as you're driving into town, stop at hotels and drop off flyers. Now we're just doing it digitally. We're putting a flyer in their pocket that they're going to see every time they open their phone. And again, we're doing that for pennies of what you can do with a pay-per-click ad.